118 Rose Point Road in the town of Parry Sound. We're just a few moments outside of the main area where the hospital is, the south end of Parry Sound, where you have the Walmart and Shoppers Drug Mart, Sobeys, Canadian Tire. We're here. The acreage for this property is approximately 2.45 acres going in this direction over to the entrance of Rose Point Marina. This is a fully renovated home, 3 bedrooms plus a den, which could be a 4th bedroom if needed, with access to the home through the garage, which is also a plus. We've got new windows. All these windows and doors and garage door included, you see, are new, and it's a turnkey home ready for a family in beautiful Parry Sound. So I'm just going to take you on a walkthrough, a tour on this property. We've got new garage doors and new doors here. I just wanted to point that out. All these renovations were done in the last few years. It was unlived in, so these renovations are ready for you to enjoy. On this main level, we walk in to a very spacious foyer with closet. The detail to wood here is inviting here. Access to the garage is actually indoors, which is a great feature a lot of people enjoy. They don't think about it until they actually have it. This here is a den / 4th bedroom. And to get to the main living area, we're going to go up the stairs. Taking you out to the front of the property again with that view of the bay. That there is Rose Point Marina that you can see. I'm covered by the trees a little bit for privacy now. The washer and dryer is included in the purchase. It is only a year old. Pocket door here. Beautiful hardwood floors carry throughout this main area. Wood burning fireplace. Keeps the property nice and warm in the winter. It is the baseboard heat, but together they work quite well. The windows also have been redone throughout, as well as the paneling has been taken down. If you'd seen this property previously, re-drywalled and fully insulated, as well as this beautiful kitchen. The cabinetry is very well placed, and you've got a lot of space to work with here. Access to the backyard to another patio. Makes it very easy for barbecuing. As we came up the stairs, you can see this makes it the side split going up to the 3 bedrooms and bathroom, a full bathroom here. This is such a bright, beautiful bathroom. Lots of space here. And again, the window overlooks Georgian Bay. Whirlpool tub. And we've got the semi-suite. So access to the master bedroom. We are located over the garage right now. Just want to point out those windows are quite large. They bring in a lot of light to this room. This is a very spacious room here. Very open, bright house. If you'd like to come see for yourself, you just have to simply give me a call or call me through the office. Now let's go test out that theory. If we can actually use the driving range in the backyard. Alright, well, we're going to test this theory. This backyard has been used for a driving range before. I have not golfed in 2 years, but I have a tournament tomorrow to try. So we're going to test this theory out. Got my tees, got a couple balls. Hope I don't hit anything I'm not supposed to, but let's see how this works. Yes, I tee up. Four. Take two. Alright, I have teed up. Yes, I know they're not the right golfing shoes, but they'll do. Four. Not too bad, gotta say. You gotta check this out yourself. Drop by sarahsaladin.com for full information on this property. See if you can do it. A daily occurrence here as your view from the front yard. The swing bridge.
That's not as big of a